Makeup is, of course, an integral part of Halloween Horror Nights. And here to tell us how we do that is the supervisor of prosthetics, Burnett.
This year we're bringing back a lot of the classic characters from years past, but with a lot of new gooey, scary materials, we're bringing them up a notch. What I always like is doing something that's totally different that no one has ever seen before. And one of the great things like with this silicone is it really, because people will get up close to it, and it has the translucency of real skin as opposed to having just like a Halloween mask quality.
The first part of the design process is usually a sketch, and from the sketch we then we create it three-dimensionally in clay, and from that clay we create a mold and cast a positive part like this, sometimes out of rubber, sometimes out of silicone, sometimes out of foam latex. We use some of the same materials to create dummies. This is a silicone mold here. Actually a master. A lot of them's like Jack. We have to recreate Jack every night, so that's a positive that we use to do that. And you can see we use a lot of different pieces. And some very large molds sometimes. This is a body mold here. We use a lot of urethane materials that when they mix together they foam up and fill the latex skin. This year we created about 30 bodies, I think. These are some of the various masks, again latex and urethane. A lot of the characters we create right on the spot with traditional makeup materials, with paint and powder, airbrush. We use a lot of airbrush makeups for a lot of the zombies in Detropolis, as well as accenting them with some special gooey creations that we've come up with, made out of stuff you'd find in your kitchen. Darkness was a challenge for us to recreate. We wanted to update him from, obviously we had the look that we were matching, but we wanted to update him from the few years prior, so we used one of the things that is a challenge on him are his really large horns, and we probably spent about 2 weeks from start to finish, from life cast to finished molds on Darkness.